So we're looking inside the truck here, and well, yeah, the mice have had dinner. I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So you can see here we got the headliner out and popped part of the dent out of the roof, and there was a wasp nest in there. There was a wasp nest up there. Pretty soon, the next video I'll show us after we've torn the seat out and what's underneath this 30-year-old shag carpeting. Just looking to understand why he put that in there. Some rust there. We know we need rocker panels, quarter panels, cab corners, fenders. There's the old roof liner, and there's the dinner belt for the mice, I guess you want to call it. Anyways, the electrical seems to be good in the truck still, which is a miracle. But yeah, the box needs a full, well, it needs to be 86'd off the truck and rebuilt. The engine's all there still. Muffler's missing, of course. Brakes need to be done. Yeah, she still runs pretty good, which is amazing after sitting all those years. I got a door to replace or rebuild, which I'm not sure if I want to rebuild that door. You fellas can see there that there's a dent there and a dent there. It was a big dent, but it's now a smaller dent. I did that just pushing it up with my hand. And yeah, thanks. We'll get back to you shortly. Give me 20 minutes.